Everyone thinks Portugal is getting too expensive, but I found a way to live like royalty on just $50 a day. I'm talking historic stays, incredible seafood, and coastal views that usually cost a fortune, and I'm showing you exactly how to book it. Portugal has become one of Europe's hottest travel destinations. But with more tourists arriving every year, many travelers assume affordable travel in Portugal is a thing of the past. The good news? That's simply not true. With the right strategy, you can still enjoy stunning coastlines, amazing food, charming historic towns, and unforgettable experiences without blowing your budget. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to experience Portugal for around $50 a day while still enjoying what feels like a luxury vacation. Let's get started. The $50 daily budget breakdown. Before we dive into destinations, here's how the budget works. Accommodation, $20 to $25 food, $15 to $20 transportation, $5 to $10 activities. Mostly free or low cost. The secret isn't sacrificing comfort. It's knowing where to go and how locals travel. Let's begin with accommodations. Step 1. Stay in Portugal's hidden gems. Most tourists book expensive hotels in Lisbon city centre or crowded parts of the Algarve. That's where budgets disappear. Instead, stay in smaller towns just outside major tourist hotspots. Places like Aveiro, Coimbra, Tavira, Viana do Castelo, Tomar. These destinations offer beautiful accommodations at a fraction of Lisbon prices. Many guest houses are located inside renovated historic buildings with traditional Portuguese architecture. You'll often find rooms for less than $25 per night during much of the year. Some even include breakfast. The experience feels far more authentic than staying in a crowded tourist district. Step 2. Eat like a local. Portugal may have some of Europe's best value food. The mistake many visitors make is eating exclusively in tourist areas. Walk just a few streets away from major attractions and prices drop dramatically. Look for restaurants filled with locals. A typical lunch special often includes soup, main course, drink, coffee, and sometimes dessert for under $10. Fresh grilled fish is widely available. Seafood rice dishes are legendary. And Portugal's famous pastries cost surprisingly little. Don't leave without trying. Pastel de nata, bacalhau, piri-piri, chicken, sardines, seafood, cataplana. One of the biggest surprises for visitors is how affordable quality food remains compared to many Western European destinations. Step 3. Use Portugal's incredible trains. Many tourists rent cars immediately. While road trips are fantastic, public transportation can save a fortune. Portugal's train network connects many of the country's most beautiful destinations. The trains are comfortable, reliable, and scenic. A journey that might cost significantly more by private transport can often be completed for just a few dollars when booked in advance. Some of the most beautiful train routes include Lisbon to Porto, Porto to Braga, Lisbon to Coimbra. Coastal routes throughout the country. You'll save money while enjoying spectacular views. Step 4. Explore Portugal's free attractions. Here's something many visitors don't realize. Some of Portugal's best experiences cost absolutely nothing. Walk through historic old towns. Explore dramatic coastal cliffs. Watch sunsets over the Atlantic Ocean. Visit traditional fishing villages. Stroll along riverfront promenades. Relax on beautiful beaches. Portugal's charm isn't locked behind expensive admission tickets. Much of it exists in everyday life. Some of my favorite memories involve simply wandering narrow cobblestone streets and discovering hidden viewpoints. The best experiences are often free. Step 5. Discover Porto instead of only Lisbon. Lisbon is incredible. But many budget travelers overlook Porto. And that's a mistake. Porto offers stunning architecture, world-famous food, beautiful riverside views, and a slightly more affordable atmosphere. Spend your mornings exploring colorful neighborhoods. Walk across iconic bridges. Visit scenic viewpoints overlooking the Douro River. And enjoy incredible local cuisine. Many travelers leave Portugal wishing they had spent more time in Porto. Step 6. Enjoy the Algarve without paying resort prices. The Algarve is famous for luxury beach resorts. But you don't need a luxury budget to enjoy it. Instead of staying in the most famous resort towns, consider nearby locations that offer easy access to the coastline. You'll still enjoy golden beaches, sea caves, ocean views, fresh seafood, dramatic cliffs without paying premium resort prices. Many of Portugal's most stunning beaches remain completely free to access. And some of the most beautiful viewpoints cost nothing at all. Step 7. Travel during the shoulder season. This may be the biggest money-saving tip in the entire video. Avoid peak summer if possible. Travel during spring or autumn. The weather remains excellent. The crowds are smaller. Accommodation prices drop significantly. Flights become more affordable. And popular attractions are much easier to enjoy. Many experienced travelers consider April, May, September, and October the best times to visit Portugal. You get nearly all the benefits with far fewer costs. Sample $50 day Portugal budget. Let's break it down. Historic guest house, $22 local lunch, $8 local dinner, $10 coffee and pastry, $3 transportation, $5 activities, free daily total, around $48, and that's not backpacking survival mode. That's comfortable travel with memorable experiences. Bonus tip: slow travel wins. One of the fastest ways to increase costs is constantly changing locations. Every move means additional transportation expenses. Instead, spend several days in each destination. You'll spend less, see more, and experience Portugal more deeply. Some of the country's greatest treasures reveal themselves slowly. Final thoughts: Portugal remains one of Europe's best value destinations. Yes, prices have increased in some areas. But travelers who know where to stay, where to eat, and when to visit can still enjoy an incredible experience without spending a fortune. Luxury isn't always about expensive hotels and high-end restaurants. Sometimes it's about waking up to ocean views, enjoying fresh seafood by the water, and watching the sunset over ancient cities without worrying about your budget. And Portugal delivers exactly that. Would you travel Portugal on just $50 a day? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're planning a Portugal trip, save this video because these tips could save you hundreds of dollars while helping you enjoy a more authentic experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel guides, budget travel tips, and destination inspiration from TravelMate Guide TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.